So today's Monday, tomorrow's the 14th of January. There's going to be a new drone out by DJI, which I'm really looking forward to. And I mentioned it before, the DJI Flip, and asked many of you, are you going to get this drone? A lot of you said you are. I definitely am. Now I'm going to be buying the DJI Flip with the RCN 3 because I've got the RCN 1 and the 2, but I haven't got the 3. Unfortunately, the one with the screen, which is the RC2, which I've already got, I was hoping they're going to bring out a new controller for that, but hey ho. Now at the moment, I've been making videos going back to an older drone, which is the Mini 3 Pro. Now I was contacted last week by Maven. They've just got out a new app, the Maven Evo, which you have to pay for, obviously. And it's obviously Android based only, guys. You have to use your RCN 1 and obviously you need your Mini 3 Pro. Now I haven't got the Mini 3, but it will work with the Mini 3. Litchi Pilot, you go onto that, you can download it. Yep, and I put it on, it come up straight away. The only thing, I haven't tested it yet, guys. I knew the drone connected up pretty quick. But all I got was like a map picture, no image from the camera on the drone. Another thing I did notice, which I thought was really good, I've obviously been flying using the Litchi app, so they're both connected in a sense, is they've got the history of some of the waypoint missions that I'd saved, so I can use those waypoint missions on the Litchi Pilot, which is going to be really good. So I'm looking forward to that. So if you guys out there got the Litchi Pilot, I'll take it as soon as you take the drone off, you get a image from the camera. The only thing I did notice, there's no other modes on that Litchi Pilot, whereas the Maven Evo, you've got a few other things you can do with it. So it just said it, these would be things progressing on the Litchi. I've been waiting for Litchi for yonks. I was even on their testing program, never heard nothing from Litchi. And I haven't seen a lot of videos out there, to be honest, from Litchi Pilot. So if you've done some videos, guys, please send me the link and I'll check out your videos as well, because I'm always learning. So me getting the DJI Flip. Now, as soon as I get the DJI Flip, obviously I'll be spending more time making those videos. And then, so I'm hoping in the next week or so, I can get on and do a few more Mini 3 Pro videos using the waypoints. And I'm hoping with the Maven Evo to make a more interesting one, where the drone will stop and take photographs, do circles, do spirals, which I presume the Litchi Pilot will do as well. I don't know. So we'll be testing those two apps out as well. The one good thing about the Litchi, I've already bought the app, and obviously the Litchi Pilot comes with it, so that's good. Whereas with the Maven, I've got the Maven on my iOS phone. I'll be honest, Maven had given me their app to test out, and I'll be honest, I was pretty impressed with it. I had no problems loading it up. I've been using the drone link with waypoints with the Mini 3 Pro. God, that was a lot more expensive, but also they had so many updates and it was a right palaver. So I'm hoping that Litchi and the Maven, we'll see what happens anyway, that's the main thing. But the whole point of this video was just to give you, one, I'll be getting the DJI Flip, so I will be doing reviews on that. I got contacted a week ago by Freewell about the ND filters. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the Flip. So anyway, as always, guys, there'll be another video coming very soon. And yeah, just before I go, what I will say, I can definitely say tomorrow, there's going to be a new update on the DJI Fly app. That's for definite. So, we'll see. So I'd say adios amigos. And for those who don't know, guys, I actually live in Spain.